Alright, day 6, pretty sure it is. It'll say anyway on the name of the thing. Only been here about 2-3 hours. Yeah, I've just lowered the dam again. I'm just cleaning up the slough. Thought we'd take you for a quick nosy round before I clean up. We've got thunderstorms on the way here, so yeah, I want to get out of here before the thunder and the rain hits and the flooding, otherwise I won't be able to get out of here. Alright, I'll quickly show you the hole and what's going on. Okay, as I said, we're in for the clean up. Sluice was running through here. I ripped the dam out over here. A mate said to me, I'm not really damming per se to get these different levels with the hole and the water. He says I'm more of aqueducting, because the water will eventually, it pushes it up and up and up and sort of bypasses it down here, and of course then I get this flat drainage area, so it's sort of more of a partial dam aqueducting system. Alright, now today guys, oh my goodness, I didn't do down here because I did that yesterday and I just wanted to, I couldn't quite tell what was going on in the sluice, so I concentrated on down there, so I saw what sort of gold was down in there. Okay, so today it's a bit dark under the tarp here. I've cleared it all back to about here. You can't quite see because it's so dark. I'll try. No, too dark. Oh, that's a little better. Alright, what I've done is I've instead of working down here in the lower part, I've cleaned off these boulders up in here and worked into here around about 20 inches, sort of up and down into here. So I've cleaned the top of this big rock off and all the other ones in here too. I'll try and get some photos tomorrow or whatever and show you the different colours and layers and what have you. Alright, back to the sluice. I've just opened the top. Doesn't look too bad for that particular layer. Alright, I'll see if I can point them to you. Okay, we've got there. Oh, hang on, now we'll get in close. There. A few little specks here. Relatively nice one. Oh, I'll get the focus there. There. Doesn't look too bad, but we'll just see on the clean up. As I said, I'm just testing different layers, so I'll do the clean up and we'll go from there. I'll show you what I pan out. Alright, I'll see you soon. I don't know if you can see me, but it's pouring with rain. We've had thunder and lightning here. I've just panned out, so it was about the same as yesterday and the day before. Seems to be pretty consistent all through the different layers. So that's sort of encouraging. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. It's absolutely pouring down. I don't even think you can see it. It's getting so dark and rainy here. Alright guys. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.